Hi friends, welcome back to Abby's Digital Nook. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be completely brutally honest with you guys. This unboxing was filmed 6 months ago and I'm only just now getting a chance to edit and upload it. And this is the Motorola Razr Plus. I picked this phone up for my teenage daughter. So she's 13 and she wanted a cute little flip phone that she could decorate and do her little thing on. And so I thought the Razr was a great choice. I was stuck for choice between the Samsung and the Razr, but I felt like I wasn't really sure how well she'd treat the phone, so I thought I'd go with the more budget-friendly option. Although it's still not necessarily a cheap phone, it is much cheaper than the Samsung, and they are essentially pretty similar. So yeah, I just thought it was really cute. I did have a Razr back in the day, like the original Razr, and this just felt so like fun and nostalgic, and I almost kind of want to get one for myself too, but I have enough phones as it is. I don't need any more. And I've been holding on to some of my older phones for the longest time, so until they completely fall apart, I won't be changing my phone anytime soon. That being said, this phone was so cute. I wanted to unbox it and make it like aesthetic, but that was a fail because that thing did not want to pull off. Also, this was just a little bit before Christmas time and this was a Christmas gift for her, and I wanted to kind of like unbox it, set it up, charge it, all the things, and then put it back in the box so that when she opened it at Christmas, it wasn't like, oh my god, this is a used phone or something like that. So I tried to be aesthetic, but it just didn't work, so it was what it was. I thought the whole makeup of the phone was just a great size. It fits perfectly in my hand. Her hand's obviously a little bit smaller, but I felt like it's just like the perfect size for a phone. I do have some pretty beastly monster phones. I have the Pro Max, iPhone Pro Max, and then I also have a Galaxy S23 Ultra. So those phones are really, really large in size. So this actually felt like a nice change. It's a little bit slimmer, although it was a little bit longer as well. It was nice and slim, and I felt like it was a really nice, comfortable phone to hold. I love the texture of the back. I think it's just so nice and it looks so premium and elite, and I just love it. So I ended up just getting her a completely clear case for it that she put on, and then I just said, with a clear case you can see the color of the back and you can decorate it however you want, and this is what she came up with. She came back and put all that stuff on it. I think I like the before. A little too much happening. That's fine. She loved it, so I guess that's all that matters. So after having the phone for about a month, I was finally able to like take her out somewhere with the phone to take some photos, and this was a great location. This is Armature Works in Tampa, so you can see the right is a screen recording and the left is a photo taken with the phone. So I think the quality is quite decent. It's definitely not as up to par as the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or any of the Samsung Galaxy phones, but this quality is pretty decent. Like, this is all recorded with her phone, so if you're just looking for a good quality camera that you can take and capture your moments, then it's actually a really great phone for that. I wouldn't use it specifically for content creation, but it is a great phone. And this is 6 months later. She ended up getting a new case because that last one wasn't it. But this one I thought was actually really cute. It's a little teddy bear. But yeah, that was my little unboxing of my daughter's phone. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're brand new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.